That means we get to check in with our local CPA, Robin LeBlanc. Robin, thank you so much for joining us virtually today.
Thank you for having me.
And today's topic is all about protecting us. What knowledge do you have for our viewers today?
So one of the things we see a lot during tax season is when we go to file a tax return and the return is rejected because someone else fraudulently filed a return under an individual's or their dependent's social security number. If this happens to you and you file an identity theft claim with the IRS, they'll automatically send you an identity protection PIN. Now, this is a 6-digit code that you will need essentially for the rest of your life in order to file your tax returns. And this 6-digit code changes every year. So it's very important that the IRS has your correct tax ID number, correct mailing address every year so that you can get this new PIN. If you move and you didn't update it, you can always go online and retrieve your PIN. It does take additional steps and work, but it can be done. Now, if you know ahead of time that your identity has been compromised, something was stolen, if you keep your social security card in your wallet, please don't do that. You can also be proactive in going to the IRS and requesting an IP PIN online. Additionally, you can file the form 15227 on paper and mail it in or fax it in and get that identity protection number, or in person if you want to travel to Baton Rouge or Lake Charles and go to one of their IRS offices. And what this does, it prevents anybody else from filing a return under your social security number. A lot of times we'll see this with dependents, where someone took the dependent's social security number, the wrongful party has it, whether it's a child in foster care or that got adopted, and someone still has that identifying information. A lot of times with dependents, it's harder to do the identity verification. So the form and the in-person might be your best option if you're trying to do this. Now, these numbers are forever, so don't get one just trying to be angry at someone and making sure that they can't claim your kid if they actually do have the right to claim him, because there currently is no opting out for getting these identity protection PINs. So this is something that's going to be continual year to year as any individual files their tax return. It's super helpful if you have it, but don't just get it too proactively, and keep your information safe so that you don't get your identity stolen.
Robin, as always, wonderful information that you share with our viewers. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
If you guys want to learn more, head to KLEF.com. Everything you need to know is going to be right there.